This is a complex head and shoulders pattern. We have a kind of a complex shoulder here. We have the head, and we're setting in another complex shoulder on this side. A break out of this to new highs is actually pretty darn bullish. It's fairly important if that breaks out. That's a fairly important level there. You can see it a little more clearly on the weeklies, right? You can see the shoulder here, you can see the head, you can see the shoulder developing, and we'll have to see what happens there. But I think for the last couple of weeks, we were thinking the Russell was probably going to close out the month, which is it's just here, right? This is expiration day. It's going to probably close out the month in this triangle here, but we'll wait and see. So very bullish behavior last week on the indexes. We got some good breakouts. We have some price pattern targets near all-time highs in some of the indexes. Puts us at bullish for the week. Even though looks like we're actually going to pull down a little bit this morning on the open, even if we get a fairly significant pullback, as long as we hold all our resistance areas that we broke out of, which should now be support this week, then definitely bullish on the market for the next week or so.